How to get free food at McDonald's. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the tutorial. So for this, you have to go ahead and check out some of the promo code that is available for your McDonald's. To check out that option, you can easily search in your browser. The first step is open up any browser that you prefer and search for McDonald's promo code. In there, you will find various of websites that will be dealing with the promo codes. You can easily select any of the website and you can redeem this promo code in McDonald's application or McDonald's webpage. All you have to do is simply tap on it, then copy the code that is provided to you, or the chances of it being already applied is there as well. So you can use these websites to easily receive some of the promo code and receive a substantial discount on your order. Next is birthday freebies. Some of the McDonald's location may offer free food or special discount on your birthdays. So you can check out your local McDonald's restaurant to see if they offer any birthday promotions. You can also sign up for McDonald's reward program. For that, you can check on the McDonald's application or check out the nearest McDonald's location of yours. Participate in surveys to receive some of the credits as well. And that is how you can easily receive some of the free food or discount at McDonald's. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.